Today's guest is the founder of Quant Solutions, a Malaysian-based company that aims to be one of the best trading solutions provider for both institutions and retail traders in Southeast Asia region. With his designation as a Certified Financial Technician (CFTE) by the International Federation of Technical Analysts, and also as a full member of World-Renowned Society of Technical Analysts (MSTA), our guest today is a highly sought-after speaker in Malaysia and is a regular speaker at the Kuala Lumpur Stock Exchange. As a full-time trader who has coached more than 1,500 new traders over the years, I'm sure he has plenty of stories to share with us today on how to navigate the market and to build up the competency to become a profitable trader. With that, please join me to welcome Ezone Constantine, the founder of Quant Solutions.
Hi, I'm Ezone Constantine, the founder of Quant Solutions and Ultimate Forex Program. What is UFP Ultimate Forex Program? It is not just another regular online learning course or mediocre video tutorial where you can get from YouTube's, Telegrams, WhatsApp groups, or blogs. It is not just another price forecasting, technical indicators, or technical analysis, though it will help you to have a better entry, risk management, and profit taking. It is not just a simple beginner or newbie course, though it will help you on your core and the foundation of your learning. This is not a course that you just learn about supports and resistance, though it helps you to establish better pre-entry, buy or sell. UFP is a foundation. This is not a learning course about how to get rich quick. But if you follow the guidelines, you have the potential to make more money than you're making right now in your existing Forex trading. Why can I say that? I coach more than 1,500 traders and impact more than 24,000 followers in our trading communities. This online course is where beginner and newbie can have major breakthrough, overcome the fear of trading financial markets by using the unique trading strategies to get better entry, improve your profit taking, reduce risk, reduce mistake, and recoup losses. No matter the market is trending up or down or sideways, there are always opportunity to trade. After 10 years of learning and trading in Forex market, my team and I spend countless of hours to refine, update, and select the best online learning content ever, so you're able to learn better by save your time and money by avoiding all the mistakes and pitfalls. There are 5 modules inside UFP online learning course. Module number 1, Introduction to Foreign Exchange. Total 19 videos tutorial. Module number 2, Forex Trading Platform. Total 33 videos tutorial. Module number 3, Price Forecasting Methodologies. Technical analysis. Total 23 videos tutorial. Module number 4, the proven trading strategies. Total 6 details video tutorials. And finally, module number 5, trading psychology and money management. Total 6 videos tutorial. Total 88 powerful videos tutorials. Besides that, you can access to our UFP library where you can download e-notes, e-books, trading indicators, trading templates, and Excel file for your money management. Your life is about to change. If you ever been frustrated, lack of growth in your trading careers, lack of profits, or lack of consistent results, this is the 100% complete learning course you've been looking for. Welcome to Ultimate Forex Program.